Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to my channel. I will be preparing some pork today. I want to do some stew pork. I'm going to prepare it today, but I'm not going to cook it today. I'm just going to do my seasoning and pack it away for tomorrow. So I am in the process now of cutting up these things. When you're doing stew, you put it you cut it up in small pieces. So this is stew pork. Try and get off this fat. Can't get off everything, but get off as much as possible. I'm fixing some chicken in the air fryer, so you will hear that noise in the background. I'm doing some pineapple stuffed chicken. I'm gonna be having that. I've not eaten from morning. I am hungry. Trying to lose some weight. Best way is not to starve yourself, but I didn't feel for anything. I'm gonna stop now to attend to this chicken here. Turn them over and give it a few more minutes. Yeah, I wanna season this. I don't like this knife. Is sharp. I have to be careful, but I cannot use a dull knife in the kitchen. No, sir. I don't want a dull knife in the kitchen at all. So I want to say hi to all my subscribers. This channel is very new. Just about maybe a week old. A little bit over a week. Yeah. I already have over 2,000 views, and I'm glad. I'm really glad. I have 8 subscribers, and I'm happy. I'm really happy. I appreciate it. And persons from various countries are viewing me all over the world. So I want to hail up those persons.